Hi everyone. I'm Ann from Crafter Crafts. I'm sharing the behind the scenes of how I created my 4 top-selling crochet books that I self-published and now sell on Amazon. Whether you're a crochet lover, a fellow creative, or thinking about publishing your own craft book, this video is for you. I'll walk you through what inspired each book, how I put them together using tools like Canva and Microsoft Word, and some tips for creating your own crochet or craft-related books. And yes, all the books I mentioned today are linked for you in the video description below. If you've ever dreamed of turning your crochet or other knowledge into a book, or creating something fun and useful for other crafters, this is the way to get creative and start writing. The first book we're going to explore that I published is interesting and educational facts about crochet for the curious crafter. This book is a passion project that blends crochet history, culture, and fun facts all in one place. I wanted to create something that wasn't just patterns, but a journey into crochet itself. And to make it even more special, I included 7 vintage crochet patterns that any crocheter can enjoy. I researched interesting facts, fun trivia, and crochet's cultural background, then used Canva to design the layout and Microsoft Word for the main formatting. Canva also made it super easy to create an eye-catching cover. It's easy to get started with Canva for free. If you don't have Microsoft Word, check out Google Docs or other online writing prompts. The next book we're going to explore that I created is my craft project planner workbook, journal, notebook, and organizer for all kinds of crafts. This planner is perfect for anyone who wants to stay organized with their crochet, knitting, or any type of craft. I designed it to include project tracking pages, to-do lists, and space for planning DIY gifts. I used Canva to create printable planner pages and Microsoft Word to put it all together. The cover and inside layout were customized with a clean, modern design that speaks to creative minds. It's one of my top sellers because it appeals to both beginners and seasoned crafters who want a better way to plan their projects. My next book that I enjoyed creating is How to Crochet a Warm and Cozy Blanket, revised and updated edition. This book started as a simple guide for beginners who want to crochet their first blanket, but I've since updated it to include 8 easy blanket patterns for cozy home decor. I kept the instructions beginner-friendly and added helpful tips along the way. Again, I used Canva for the images, book cover and pattern layout, and formatted it all in Word. It's been a bestseller because it helps people build confidence with crochet and create something beautiful for their home. If you need additional help creating your books, there are some great tutorials available on Amazon and YouTube. My next creative adventure was a coloring book. The Ultimate Crochet Coloring Book is one of my favorites. This one was so much fun to make. I created over 50 relaxing crochet-themed coloring pages with yarn, stitches, mandalas, and more. It's perfect for winding down after a long day or getting inspired before your next project. You can create your own images with Canva or use AI to help you out and then modify the images to fit your book. I designed all the pages in Canva and focused on making it fun, meditative, and perfect for crocheters of all ages. It also makes a great gift for your yarn-loving friends. Here are some helpful tools and tips to get started with your book. To create all of these books, I primarily use Canva for designing covers, illustrations, and page layouts, and Microsoft Word for writing, formatting, and exporting to PDF for KDP upload. Here are a few quick tips if you're thinking of creating your own crochet or craft book. Start with what you love. Your passion shows in your work. Use Canva templates to get inspired and speed up design. Keep your audience in mind. Are they beginners, seasoned crocheters, organizers, or creatives? Add value, whether it's patterns, coloring pages, or useful planners. Top tools and sources for creating, writing, and publishing your book. Canva. Perfect for creating book covers, planner pages, coloring book illustrations, and beautiful layouts. Use 4. Cover design, interior design, graphics, templates, coloring book pages. 2. Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Essential for writing and formatting your manuscript before converting to PDF. Use 4. Writing, formatting, adding headers, footers, and exporting your book for KDP. 3. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Amazon's self-publishing platform where you upload and sell your book. Use 4. Uploading books, setting pricing, distribution, royalties, and managing sales. 4. BookBolt. A great tool for creating low-content books like journals, planners, and logbooks. Use 4. Interior templates, niche research, keyword tools, and cover generation. 5. Creative Fabrica. Provides fonts, graphics, SVGs, and crochet-related design assets. Use 4. Adding embellishments, decorative fonts, and crochet-themed art to your book. 6. KDP Cover Calculator and Template Generator. Helps you create the exact dimensions you need for your print book cover. Use 4. Calculating your trim size, spine width, and downloading a precise cover template. 7. Pixabay/Pexels, free images. Use royalty-free images for visual inspiration or enhancement. Check usage rights. Use 4. Backgrounds, mockups, visual elements for covers and inside pages. Optional tips to add to your video or description. I formatted my books using 8.5 by 11-inch trim size, which works great for planners and coloring books. Make sure to download your book as a high-quality PDF before uploading to Amazon KDP. Double-check your book using Amazon's preview tool before hitting publish. Besides these 4, I've also published vintage crochet pattern books, journals, and coloring books, all made with the same creative process and tools. You'll find the links to browse all of them in the video description. It takes a few steps to learn the process of creating a publishing books to sell on Amazon. But once you discover how to make books that you want to share with others, it can be rewarding and fun to do. If you enjoyed this video and want more behind-the-scenes tips on crochet, crafting, and self-publishing, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss a thing. And if you have any questions about self-publishing or designing your own craft books, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching and happy crafting and writing your own book.